For mid-June, it is pretty cold right now. It's no, it's not -10. What am I? I'm really bad at intros. Saturday morning, it's pretty, it's deceptively cold out. Like, it looks like just a regular, sort of not so sunny summer day, but it's only 10 degrees, which for mid-June is like, kind of weird. And it's not calling for rain, even though it looks like it, so we'll be on guard and ready, just in case. Anyways, yesterday all we got done was take the rear bumper off. Beautiful. And then it started raining, so we just said, forget it. We'll start it Saturday. Plan is to clean up this area, and then using a combination of brackets, bolts, and welds, we're gonna get the spindle for the tire carrier in place, and then that way we can pop the tire carrier on and get it all lined up and see what else we need to figure out, because the tire carrier might cover up my reverse lights, and if that's the case, I'm gonna have to put on other reverse lights onto the tire carrier, because you're kind of legally need to have reverse lights. So we won't know until it's actually in place though, so we gotta get started. We gotta get the spindle on, and then from there we can attach the tire carrier, see if it blocks the reverse lights, and then we'll come up with the locking mechanism to actually stop the tire carrier from swinging out. The crash bar is off, and we can get a better look at the hitch now. This hitch was probably installed when the car was bought brand new, because it's like steel is losing a bit of its structure there. I never use it for towing. I have no intention of using it for towing, because Subarus aren't fucking pickup trucks, so don't tow a trailer with them.
Say something for the people.
Hello. Alright, so it's on mostly. We're still gonna I'm not gonna get around to it today, but we're gonna put a plate here that'll be bolted here and then through the crash bar to help hold it. But we got the bracket made in the back, and you can see the bolt head there. So it'll hold it there, and then we've probably got like all around like 8 inches of weld. About 3 inches of good weld holding it. So we're gonna paint it. Now what most people would do, they'd be like, oh, you gotta paint it black. But paint costs money unless you find it in a car. So we're painting it Chrysler blue.